What's up, Titans? Welcome to Mr. 6 in the Morning, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about some free options that you can use to do this persuasive project that we're working on. Now, first things first, none of these options are required. You can draw your product, you can record your product on your phone, you can do whatever is available to you to do this project. We are not requiring these methods. However, they are free, and if you'd like to research them, then you can go ahead and give them a try, and it won't cost you anything to try them out. So I'm looking right now on my computer at spark.adobe.com, and I'm already logged in. It's a free account through Adobe, and you've got a couple options. You can create a flyer, which is a print ad, or you could even come down and create a video, which could be a video ad. So I'm going to show you the video first. So we'll click on video and see what that looks like. So they are going to provide you a very simple interface. It almost looks like a PowerPoint slide deck. And what you can do is you will type a title for your video, and they are going to give you some templates and fill in a lot of the blanks for you. There's not a lot of thinking that you have to do on this part. So for video, you'll have an option right beneath the text where you can record your own voice into the video. You can do that with a simple microphone, or if you've got a gaming headset or something like that. Again, none of these options are required. So while that's loading, we'll go ahead and take a peek at anchor.fm, ancor.fm. That's another free account. That's what I use for my podcast, Mr. 6 in the Morning, for my kids. That's what Victoria East uses for Titan Radio. And you can use this. There's actually a free app on your phone that's super simple, and you can just record a podcast from your phone using whatever microphone that you have available. Even your phone's microphone will sound just fine. And you'd start recording, and then you can add transitions before and after your recording. You can just drop them over here, and whatever you have in your library that you recorded, you can go ahead and just drop it into the episode as well. And you can reorder those, you can move them around, and then you can save the episode and it will publish. You decide what it's going to be titled, and then you can just send that link to your teacher and say, this is my audio advertisement. So you can say audio advertisement, your name. You can say, this is the description. You can even change your episode art. You don't really need to worry about season numbers. Obviously, your ad should be clean, not explicit. So anchor.fm, super simple. You can be up and running in less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to go back to the video. It's good tutorial video you can watch if you want to. You don't have to. And like I said, you just hold the microphone down. You can add photos. You can add text. It has the formatting over here if you want this to be your title slide. You can add pictures to it as well. Now, you also have the option to make a flyer. And I'm going to show you in just a couple minutes what that looks like. So if we were to create a project, make a flyer, this is going to be a print advertisement. So you've got three options here. You can do a print advertisement like a magazine. You can do an audio advertisement like if you were doing a radio ad, and you can do a video advertisement as if it was a TV commercial. So for Spark, you can use for either the print or video options, and Anchor you would use for your audio option. So as this loads, you'll see that it gives you a lot of templates that you can use. If I were to advertise something, I'll just click on a template here, and it'll load it up for me. You can drop your own pictures in the background. You can add text. You can format your text and colors, and then just download it when you're done and email that to your teacher. So these are the options that you have. Again, they are not mandatory. These are not required. These are just free options that we thought you might use for your project if you have the capability. And it's loading. So there's different templates. You can change the design, the colors, the filters, the text. You can add your product. You can even search their library of free pictures up here where it says add. So if you click on the text, or if you double click on the text, it will edit. You can change it. If you click on the image in the background, back here, you can change the filter on the picture. If there's no filter, then it'll be the original color. Most of you know how filters work. You can add up here any text that you want, photo, icon, logos, different things. Change the effect of the text, effect of the shapes. And then when you're done, you'll come up here where it says download, and you'll download it and then send that file to your teacher. So again, these are just some options that you can use, free options for audio ads, for print ads, or for video ads. They're not required, but they sure would help. Have fun.